Hello mga adopters! We just finished delivering the popcorn here in the pit party for the Monster Jam Brisbane. Ayan, gumagawa pa kami. Hello! Gumagawa pa kami ng mga what's this? Ng popcorn. Nagde-deliver kami ng popcorn as of now. So right now, nandito kami sa field. Ito gagawin ang pit party. Ayan, yung pit party. So we're walking here at the basking in the sun. Ang init. Nililugtan already. Ayan, nandito yung mga trucks din ng Monster Jam. Ayan, papakita lang namin yung mga trucks. Ayan, si El Toro Loco. Ayan, one of my favorites yan. Ayun ang Monster Jam truck. Kita nyo ba yun? Monster Jam truck. Ayan. So yun, hindi pa tapos ang aming trabaho dito. We're just delivering food and some merchandise para sa show for 6 o'clock tonight. Ayan, so that's all for today. This is Friends Inferiors reporting or corresponding here in Brisbane, Australia from Queensland Sports Athletics Center. See you later. Bye, ciao. Bye-bye.